What's up, guys? So I'm in the process of putting airbags on my 2006 Grand Cherokee. This is just the little Airlift 1000 kit. Picked it up off Amazon, and it's just two of those, one for each side, and then has the airline here. And then obviously all the hoses and stuff comes with it, but just a short video to show you guys how I drop this axle down. Get the tire out of the way. I lifted it up, and then I have jacks on this back bumper support, the control arm mount right here. The jack's there, and then that way the axle can slip past it, because it kind of just floats here. Undo the sway bar bolt, which is up here, and then I undid the shock bolt. So after the shock bolt, the sway bar off, and it helps to do both sides. So I mean, then obviously it's dropping down as much as it can. Those are the only things that I disconnected. You want to keep an eye on these. It should come down enough, but they're gonna get tight. The brake lines here, and obviously your ABS sensors. Once that's down and all the weight's off, you should, be able to move the coil. If you can't move the coil, something's still probably tight or not hanging down enough. And if you don't have this 2-inch lift puck like I do, then it's probably going to be even a little easier for you, because I have all this tension on the coil from this pack. So once that's down, this bump stop actually just pops right out. You can see how it sits in that groove. It pops out of the center there. They actually tell you to take it out for this, so I did that. And they also say that it comes with this spacer. They say not to use it on this. I'm assuming it comes for those, like the Wranglers or I think the Liberties. I don't know, a couple of different ones. They have like it's like a bucket, the coil bucket that this sits into. So then the sharp edges aren't on this, but this doesn't need that because this will probably fall out. But I'm actually gonna try it, because I don't like the way, so the whole goal of this, taking these out, is you have to drill that center hole. I probably could have drilled mine out a little bigger. I probably will on the other side. But all you got is that little thing, the little hose nipple to go in there. So I mean, if it's not lined up or it's like moving around or whatever, I don't know, maybe it'll cut it. I don't know. I don't really like that, and so I'm gonna use this. It says not to, but I don't see how it would hurt. But with that, it's gonna basically protect that in there. And then when the line goes down and through that hole, I mean, this most likely won't be falling out anywhere. I guess I'll test it out and let you know. But this is it. This is all back in and ready to go. So I'm gonna run the line up there and then hop on the other side. Like I said, I'll probably do a little bigger drill out there. But that's the gist of it. Obviously, putting it back together, you can lift your axle back up, line your shock bolts up, and remember to put your sway bar back on. That's about it. Just a short little video tossing these in here. So good luck.